Oh, mud season. Oh, yeah. So yeah, buddy. Now we're talking. Oh, man. These tires on this machine are freaking awesome. Hey, welcome back. My name is Don, and this is Adventures This Way. Today I'm out doing a shakedown ride on my new tires. Check them out. Anyways, enough babbling about that stuff. Let's go test these tires out. Now she just lifts right and even at high. So, can you trim her up on an XMR? Absolutely. Now, the big test will be hard corners with the taller tires. But man, is that ever fun. These tires change the ride. They're just a little bit heavier, and it's like the great combination. Wow. Wow. The beavers that got in here a few years ago. What the heck was that? It's been a rock or something. Check it out. That was fun. That part was fun. Seems like it's still attached. There's some good rip in there. Yeah, we did. So this spot down here, I've never been through it before. There's a couple, actually there's probably 2 or 3 different little spots down there. And Joe from ATV had a video a couple weeks back. First got his 32-inch assassinators on his machine, which is just like mine. He's got a few different modifications to it though, but it's basically the same machine. Anyways, he got hung up going by himself. I know he was a little concerned for a bit, but he was able to get some traction and get out of the deep rut. So knowing that, the problem is there's nowhere to winch, right? That's the problem when you're out by yourself. You don't want to get yourself into a pickle. The funny thing is I haven't been here in a year. Since Elemental ATV and I were out with his Scrambler and my Sportsman. It was last spring. Actually, I think it was in March. So I haven't even driven any of this in a while. Time is at 5:45. Said I was gonna be home around 6. So we're good. 189 kilometers total. 10.9 hours. I say she's broke in decently. Just throws chunks. Oh man. Oh God. Nah, it's not that deep. something important to note there was, I don't know how to describe it, but I can feel the bike kind of slowing. So I mean, if there's not a lot of resistance, this stock clutching is going to be fine, but with the tires. But as soon as you get resistance, you know, you're going to end up getting some slipping for sure. So we're going to do some changes about that, which I think I already mentioned. But I like to explain things as it happens sometimes, otherwise I forget. Boys, watch this in high gear now. Ooh, that's a little hard landing. Call this the rocky road. It's bumpy. Put her in. See, the thing I gotta remember is you can change the throttles on the fly. It's so sensitive on sport that it's not really great to be using it when in bumpy stuff like this. You hit the throttle when you don't want to. Damn, I wish I had the camera set up for that. Oh, who says we can't do it again? I gave her a little extra. Gave her for the gram there, boys. These tires on this machine are freaking awesome, dude. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So much fun, but I gotta work my way back home. Yep. That's the way it is. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a good little spot. Whoa! 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 Yeah! Whoa! Friggin' right. I had water over the hood there. Look at that. You can see where the water came up. That's surprising. Yeah! Oh yeah. Whoa! Yeah! chew. You just find traction and go. Wow. That was something, boys. Holy. So I have to say, I'm getting a feel for the machine. I really am. And I've been out for a few times by myself just to get a feel for it, get some break-in hours in it. And I gotta tell you, I'm feeling pretty darn confident with it and comfortable with it. And I can't wait to try it in even more challenging terrain. Thanks for coming along for the ride, and I'll see you in the next one.